Okay, if you finished the last assignment of the 5 overlay images and you put it in a Google slide, you can go ahead. And so what this assignment is that I will take your silhouette, okay? Then you will learn how to download to your Chromebook. I'll show you. And then after that, you're going to edit the image. And I'm going to show you how to turn it black and white, all right? And then how to adjust the levels. So let's say I've taken your silhouette. I'm going to do this in Photoshop here. I'm going to open up a silhouette. If you download it, it's probably in your downloads, so you're going to use your picture. So let's say this is your picture. Now, first thing, you can see you want to get rid of that edge. You just want the silhouette with the white. So I'm going to go to the crop, and when I do that, a box will appear, and you can move this box or move the picture into that area. And once you have just that white screen and the silhouette, you want to hit enter. Next, and it has that right over here, how to change to black and white. So you're going to go up to image, adjustments, and there's black and white. Now on Photopea, it'll just have all these different things. Just hit OK. All right, because now it is black and white. You also want to make sure now that you are on the move tool. Don't stay on the crop. So always pick the move tool. Next, number 4, edit the image. So to do this, we're going to go up to image, adjustments, levels. This will probably be over your picture, so you want to move it over. You're going to use the top box. You'll see a black on the left, a gray in the middle, and a white. So it's just that. If I move the white into the center, it makes the whites whiter. Then you want to make your silhouette darker. So I literally would do white over to the middle and then bring in the black. And if you want, you can play around with it and you just make sure that it is contrasty, black and white. All right, so now you want to save it. File, save as. I want to save it to my computer. I'm going to put my silhouette, and it's a JPEG, so I hit save, and then I hit OK. If you were to do this on a Photopea, you would go File, Export As, and you would find JPEG. All right. The next step is that you are going to open up an Internet tab, and you need to find a texture that you want to use to put inside your silhouette. So when we do that, you want to get a new tab, go into Google, and if you want to do certain colors or if you want to do texture, so I put in texture. I'm going to images. So now if I want to scroll through and look, let's say I'll use this one. First thing I didn't do, I put it on images, but I want you to go to Tools, Size, Large. That way that picture will be crisp and definitely in focus. So I'm scrolling, I'm looking, and let's see. I'll save this one. So you click on the thumbnail, go over to the larger picture, then you right click and you save the image. It'll go into your downloads or it'll go somewhere. All right. So the big thing is that you got to get your texture and you got to get your silhouette. And you can do all of that on your Chromebook. If you have a flash drive, put it on the flash drive. Then you need to go and get a laptop. And in order to do this, it's the same thing we did before. So we have this picture. So now I'm just going to do File, Place Embedded. I'm going to where I saved my texture. Let's see, it's on here. I got the metal one. Okay, I'm not going to look for it right now, but I definitely have a texture right here. I hit place. So now this is not covering my whole silhouette. So I am going to make it fit. I want to get rid of the box. I hit enter. So then you have to find your layer box. Remember, if you don't have your layer box on the side, go to Window, Layers. So on your top layer of the texture, you want to right click, go to Blending Options, then click on the normal and put it in Screen and hit OK. And then you'll save it. File, Save As, save it to your computer, put your name, put maybe your silhouette after it, I don't know, name it so you know where it is. Save it as a JPEG and know where you're or to the desktop on if you have the laptop. But save it as a JPEG, hit save and hit OK. So after you have that, then you can definitely come in and turn it in. I'm going to go to Student View. So if you want to do this while everyone's finishing, you can upload your file, choose your file, and turn in your silhouette with your own texture. Okay?